We are teachers.
Students.
We are professors.
Researchers.
Here to work alongside teachers like you, to meet you where you are, and to respond to your desire to uplift and amplify your and your students' voice.
At a time when calls for liberation towards justice, joy, agency, and cultural responsibility echoes through schools.
We believe that when teachers are empowered as designers, they can build structures towards liberation for students.
We believe in the potential of important technological tools and instructional strategies to design meaningful, authentic learning experiences.
We believe that project-based learning, or PBL, can create exciting, student-centered, engaging, and rigorous learning environments for all students.
We believe in supporting you to move beyond your comfort zone and design for deeper and more accessible learning that is rooted in students' prior knowledge and cultural connections.
In our session, you will explore more culturally responsive and sustaining practices.
You will walk away with new ideas to support diverse student learning and develop liberatory learning environments.
You'll hear lessons from the field and learn how to build practices to help students identify and take action to address authentic problems.
You will consider strategies to connect PBL issues to broader social issues.
We are the Center for Technology and School Change.
We at the Center for Technology and School Change invite you to join us for our workshop supporting teachers as designers of liberatory learning environments, evolving lessons from the field. The Center's model, Innovating Instruction, is focused on 3 core elements: design, situate, and lead. It forms the basis for our work with hundreds of teachers and our research with dozens of schools. Join us on our journey toward a more culturally sustaining, authentic, and creative practice.